Shalom again and welcome to the Bag Chain Podcast. I'm Aaron Hallavi.
And I'm Rachel Huber. We're covering the trivia hack for getting TikTok ad revenue.
Yes, if you haven't heard, you can use ChatGPT to populate Canva trivia cards and put them on TikTok to earn an annual salary's worth of ad revenue on TikTok every month. It's kind of a new thing.
Yeah, you need Canva Pro for this, which shouldn't cost more than $30. ChatGPT's free, obviously.
Right. TikTok's got this creativity program still in beta, but it's paying out a lot of money for monetized videos longer than a minute. Somewhere around 50 cents to $1 for every 1,000 views. Here's the thing. This method of creating content is so low effort that you can easily get tens of millions of views across multiple videos each month, especially with how easily a few views snowballs into 1,000 on TikTok.
That program only applies to you if you live in the US, UK, North Korea, South Korea, Japan, Brazil, Germany, or France. If you're anywhere else, this program's not actually available to you. TikTok's consolidating the flow of advertising dollars. You also need at least 10,000 followers in order to monetize your videos on TikTok in the first place, but this method can get you those followers in literally a week or two anyway. So that doesn't matter much at all.
Yeah, and there's not even many steps to this method at all. Go to ChatGPT. You can use the free version. No need to pay anything. Ask it to generate however many trivia questions you want regarding a specific topic. It generates them, and then you go to Canva and start a new project with the mobile video canvas or the TikTok canvas, either one. Both of these give you the right dimensions for TikTok videos. In the Element Search tab, you'll want to type quiz videos and then select one of the quiz video templates, whichever one you like.
Make sure you add a second page and apply the template to both pages though, because you need a question screen and an answer screen too.
Yep, you're going to hit the plus button near the bottom to add a second page and give it the same template. All you need to do is change the words around to use ChatGPT's questions and answers, and then you can change the background to make it a generic video. I'd make it slow motion and drag it out to like a minute and 5 seconds or so.
Yeah, that's really all there is to it. You go start a creator account on TikTok and upload your new video, which it only took you like 15 minutes to make. I'd go do a handful of these every day and just schedule them on TikTok. That's what the most successful trivia TikTok channels are doing. Quantity is what's going to make you rich in this game. So if you have time to target the hell out of that niche you picked with a bunch of trivia questions, you'll be golden.
Right, because keep in mind you're only using one question at a time. A video is only going to be about 3 or 4 questions because you just need the video to be slightly over a minute long. People just want to see if they get it right, basically. And advertisers are going to want to run ads around your content. You're going to rack up 10,000 followers in no time if you're pumping out multiple videos every day like this. And then you can monetize, and then you'll get millions of views off videos that are running every day. Some of them will go viral randomly because that's just naturally what happens. You'll start making thousands of dollars per video every month.
Yeah, so say you do 8 questions a day, right? 8 videos a day, 5 days a week, and you average 300,000 views per 30-day period for a video. If your average CPM is 75 cents, you'll earn about 45 grand a month. That's somebody's annual salary, dude.
Think about it.
Seriously, like, what are we even talking about?
Okay, so hit subscribe, thumb up the ass, ring the bell. We deserve it.
God, we do.
Good evening and good night.